Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. Start. The government has not come forward with its mind made up. It is really a great tragedy that this bill is one of the many instances of how much confusion there is in the thinking of the government vis-a-vis modern requirements of economic development. This is only one instance. There are many others, but this instance is a clear example of how much confusion there is in the government thinking about the basic requirements of industrial growth and economic growth, which can compensate for and which can really keep its pace with the economic development in other countries. I will not go beyond this, but I would certainly say that I do not believe that destiny only has had its hand in restraining this bill in one form or the other. Now this bill has come before the House. The recommendations is that the period of patents should be reduced from 16 years to 14 years in the case of drugs and chemicals, and 10 years in the case of others. When we are discussing the matter, we should realize and accept our own limitations. I may just give one instance of the Pimpri factory, which is a public sector undertaking. This factory has invented two drugs. Many countries are wanting the patent and also wanting to manufacture the drug. On the other hand, we have not been able to manufacture this drug yet and put it in the market. For in practice, we have a very outdated system of marketing. Our distribution system is not up to date in other countries. For instance, in a country like Japan or America, they spend millions of dollars on research, and the moment the research is completed, they apply every strength and TAP all their resources into the drive to put that commodity in the market. As soon as the investigation is found to be fruitful, but they also have a capacity to withdraw the drug overnight or within a week or a fortnight in case it is found that the drug has not succeeded. I think it was an original product of Germany, and it was given as a tranquilizer to a woman, especially convalescent and pregnant woman. It was noticed that this drug had created some adverse effects on pregnant women, and when the babies were born, they were found to be deformed immediately. The drug controller in the USA issued a notification that that drug should be withdrawn from the market, and I think that within a week or a fortnight this drug was withdrawn. So far there were only two or three exceptional cases. Stop.